Keto Cauliflower Carbonara is a simple, low-carb meal that you can whip up fast after those long days at work, and it's all made in just the one pan.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So into a deep saucepan, I add extra virgin olive oil and then chopped bacon. Cook the bacon until the fat starts to render and softens, which should take around 3 minutes over that medium to high heat. Next, I stir in the cauliflower florets. Now, obviously, this isn't what you'd use in a traditional carbonara, but we're chucking tradition out the window. But if you're cutting those carbs, the cauliflower works the best. Now mix everything together. All those bacon juices will seep into the cauliflower, making them very flavorful. Season with salt and pepper, and then add thickened cream. Mix well and turn the heat down to low and leave to simmer for 10 minutes. The mixture will reduce down slightly and thicken, and the cauliflower will become lovely and tender. To thicken the sauce even more, I add in an egg yolk along with grated Parmesan cheese. Mix together well for another minute and you will see the sauce thicken even more. Remove from the heat and serve. Once served, top it with extra Parmesan cheese and enjoy. This is such an easy, low-carb meal to make, packed with flavour, and will satisfy everyone around the table. This also freezes really well, so you can meal prep this recipe for the busy week ahead. As always, you'll find the recipe in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for another recipe.